So you can see that we have selected here adapter 1 as a host only adapter and adapter 2 as a NAT adapter. Okay, you can make the changes from here. Okay, so this is adapter 1. We have enabled this adapter host only adapter and adapter 2 as NAT. So you may know that NAT is a network address translation adapter, which is the default networking mode in VirtualBox. It works like a home router. The VM gets a private IP address and all outbound traffic like internet goes through the host. And in the same way, the host-only adapter creates a private network between your host machine and other virtual machines. Okay, so you can make these changes and click OK. Now you can start the machine. Okay, machine will be started, and after that we will see that you can see that powering VM up. Okay, machine is up, and we can log into the machine. Password. Okay, go to settings. Now you can see here. It's better to choose the adapter 1 as host only adapter and adapter 2 as NAT adapter. And here also you can see this is the first adapter. Okay, we have assigned IP address to this adapter 192.168.56.55. If you remember, we assigned this IP while in the installation. Okay, this is manual IP, right? And this is the second adapter. Here it is automatic through the DHCP, right? You can see the IP address 10.03.15. Okay, so this adapter will be used as NAT, which will allow the internet on the machine. We can check whether internet is working or not. Okay, so we will open the terminal. We will open terminal. Okay, first of all, we will check the IP addresses. Okay, this one 192.168.56.55 and this one 10.0.3.15. Okay, so we will ping any website like ping www.google.com. So you can see that it's pingable. Okay, we can also ping this machine from our laptop. If you remember the IP address which I assigned, this one. Okay, so I will ping it from my laptop. Ping 192.168.56.55. So you can see that we can ping. Okay, now we will open a mobile app and we will access the machine from here. Mobile apps. Here we will add a session, new session, SSH, remote host 192.168.56.55. Specify the username. You can mention admin or root. Admin is preferable, but I will use root here. Okay, go to advanced setting. See if you want to provide any information here. Bookmark setting. The bookmark setting will display here. So here you can see it is mention the username as well through which it is login. Okay, okay, it will ask the password, root password. So once we will provide the password here, it will save this password. It will ask you. Now you can see that we have connected to this machine through mobile XM. Okay, we will run the commands, check the IP. You can see that we are here 192.168.56. Okay, stop practice, PWD present working directory. We are in root. Okay, clear the screen. So you have seen that how we have installed Linux using Oracle Virtual and how we have accessed the machine through mobile extern software. So without conflicting with your local machine operating system, you have installed the Linux and now you can use this for practice and for checking all the things. Okay, so you can use and you can test it and everything. So thank you so much, guys. We will see you in next video.